Want all your sleeves to be ripping on your shirt this summer, then do this insane arm workout right here. Tricep rope pushdown to start off, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, and make sure it's slow and controlled with every single rep with a slight pause at the top in the stretch position. Use 2 ropes together if your gym has these. After, we're doing an overhead tricep extension, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. These are absolutely killer, building them big ass triceps. After that, grab a single rope attachment. If your gym doesn't have one, just use a normal one and pull it through. And you're going to do a single arm cable extension, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps with a squeeze on every single rep. If you think you'll love this workout, then drop me a follow for more. After that, we're doing dumbbell hammer curls seated, so there's no swinging about cheating these reps. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. This should get the biceps warmed up now because we're going to fucking destroy them. Then machine preacher curl, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps and get a good squeeze on these bastards. Moving into easy bar curls. After that, 3 sets of 8 to 15 reps. This one absolutely kills as a finisher, and that's how you fill your shirt sleeves.
What's going on, guys? We're back with another video, and today we're hitting triceps. Time to feed that monster, so save this one for later. Alright, so boom, we start with the tricep pull downs. These should be hard. This is the bulk of the workout, so pick a heavy weight. Next, we're going into the cable skull crushers. This is a superset, so pick a moderate weight for these. And then we're going straight into the overhead tricep extension. This is kind of a finisher, so it doesn't need to be too heavy. Alright, next we're going straight into the dumbbell overhead extensions. These are going to be heavy, so we're only doing 8 reps, 4 sets. Then we're finishing up with the close grip push-ups. Last but not least, enjoy the pump, guys.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत 2 पल के सहारों की।
What up, fam? Here's a 5-day training split where you hit every muscle group in the body twice a week. So your first few days are going to be push-pull legs. On your push day, you're going to do 3 chest exercises, 2 shoulder exercises, and 1 tricep exercise. On your pull day, you're going to do 3 back exercises, 1 rear delt exercise, 1 trap exercise, and then 2 exercises for biceps. Your first leg day is going to be mostly quads. We're going to do 4 quad exercises, 1 handstand exercise, and 1 calf exercise. After that, we have a rest day, but I use this day to do some active cardio and some abs. Then we have a full upper body day. I would structure it by doing 6 sets each for the chest and back, and then 3 sets each for the shoulders, biceps, and triceps. After that, you have a full lower body day, which is going to be a little bit more glute and hamstring focused, doing 2 quad exercises, 2 hamstring exercises, 1 glute exercise, and 1 calf exercise. And then finally, we're going to end the week with a rest day. Try to spit out yourself, and remember to like and follow for more.